I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and making a quick backup of the item data so you can revert if needed. Once done, log into the GEM portal with your admin or editor account and complete 2FA. Open the inventory or items list and use the search or filters to find the GEM entry, name, ID, or tag works best. Make sure the record you select is the live version. If not, switch to the correct environment before you proceed. You now edit the GEMs category directly in the Detail panel. Click Edit or the Manage Category control, then choose the proper category from the drop-down. If you need a new category, create it following naming rules. After selecting, review dependent fields, attributes, tags, visibility, and any permission rules that change behavior. Once adjusted, run the built-in validator or preview to confirm category-specific templates and filters update. You finish by saving the edit and initiating any required publish or deployment process so the new category goes live. Once saved, check the audit log and perform a quick search or filter to ensure the GEM appears under the new category across listings. If you see mismatches or validation errors, revert using your exported backup or the portal's revert/change ID feature, then reapply corrections. If issues persist, collect the error messages and logs and contact support. Include change ID and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.